Hi my food lovers, welcome back to another recipe. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how to make this homemade creamy ice cream. It's very simple to make and you need just a few ingredients. Let's get into it. Into a bowl, go in with some milk. If you do not have milk at home, you can just dissolve some milk powder with some warm water and you are good to go. Now we want to introduce some whipped cream powder. This is going to do the magic. Get your whisk, whether electric whisk or hand whisk, and then you whisk this until everything becomes smooth and also thick, just as you can see on your screens. It shouldn't be too thick, and we are using condensed milk here as our sweetener, so this you should do it according to your preference, how sweet you want your ice cream to be, and stir for some time. And now you want to go in with your flavor of choice. In this video I'm using vanilla flavor. You can choose coconut flavor, strawberry flavor, whatever you want. Just go ahead and use that. You want to mix this very well. You see it's foamy, so you want to mix some time more to ensure that the foam it's all right and you get something like this and you are good to go. It shouldn't be very thick, so when you whisk for some time, just stop, and this is what you should achieve. Let me take a moment to thank you all for stopping by. If today is your first time coming across my channel, thank you so much for stopping by and you are welcome. Here we share recipes every week, but I've been away for some time now. Yes, we are back better and strong. So we just put everything into our popsicle molds just like this. Just put everything in it. First, arrange your sticks like this and put everything in it. You can get these popsicle molds from Home Besties on Instagram and TikTok. So do well to hit them up. I'll link that also in the description. Fill it up to the top, but not too much, just to the top a little, and you should be good to go. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for always stopping by, and thank you guys for bringing me this far. I really appreciate you all, and we are really growing very well on this channel. I like your comments, and you know I don't miss any comments I see on my channel. I respond. I try my best to respond. Okay, so now we have a different design, and these ones are my favorites. They are very beautiful and they give the ice cream nice and unique styles. So yes, this is something that I think you should try to get for yourself as well. It's nice just for you to feel that outside feeling. Just go ahead and get one of these. They are really helpful. Yes. So you fill everything up to the brim. You transfer it into the freezer until it becomes firm. So yes, freezer, not fridge, until it becomes firm. And your ice cream should be ready to be enjoyed. Just like this. With this, one thing about silicone molds is that you do not have to dip anything into the water. It's so easy to take it out. So this is how you take it out. You just remove it from the inside like this, just like this. Look at that. You remove it like this, and then you push the stick up, just as you can see here. Push the stick up, and then you should be able to get your ice cream out nicely. And this ice cream, if I say it's thick and it tastes so good. So this is how you should remove your ice cream. Do not dip it into anything, any water. The silicone is just perfect for this. And look at this shape. Like I said, that green molds are my favorites. Okay, they are stylish, very beautiful. So yeah, this is our ice cream, and look at it. When I took that bite, it's so creamy and it tastes so good. And guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you got this far with me, I really appreciate you all. If you haven't subscribed, what are you waiting for? Just click on the subscribe button and also click on that bell notification icon so you get notified anytime I upload a video. And also share to your friends and loved ones so they know that yes, we are doing something better on this channel. I'll see you on the next one. Until then, stay safe. Bye.